Medyo manghang na siya. Let's try it with seaweed. Oh my god. Hi guys, it's Kyle. So, for today's vlog, we're gonna eat. Yes, we're gonna do the mukbang challenge. And the food that I prepared is buldak, the spicy one, and I'm gonna try it since this is my second time trying this one. So, titignan natin if maanghang ba talaga siya. Bumili na rin pala ako dito ng seaweed for only 22 pesos. So, ano pa hinihintay natin? Let's try it na. Let's go! So, guys, let's eat. To be honest, this is my second time trying this one. Kasi yung first, binigyan lang ako tapos nasarapan ako kasi yung maanghang. Kasi I really love spicy foods talaga ever since. Wow! So, first bite. First bite, guys. Second bite. Medyo manghang na siya. Hindi na niya kinakain spice tolerance ko ngayon. Second bite, guys. Let's try it with seaweed. Manghang siya. Sobra. Cheers. Sarap siya. So guys, wala na akong maisip na pwede kong i-vlog. So, nag-isip ako. And, ayun, naisip ko na mag-mukbang vlog na lang. Since, tatama lang din ako mag-adiin na yun. Cheers. If you guys were asking if where did I bought this mic, I bought this on TikTok shop and it's 169 pesos only.
Wow!
Nag-sale siya since 12 ako bumili. Oh my god. Ang ahang na. Kasama ko na nga lang siya dito. Dalawa na. Nagsipon na ako. So guys, kumana ng water. Ang ahang talaga niya. And need ko talaga itong ubusin kasi sayang yung 85 pesos ko dito. Eat guys. Last seaweed. Kaya tayo seaweed guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I did it. Boost na siya. And so guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.